Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to stop your Xbox from overheating. First, let's talk about placement. Your Xbox needs plenty of room to breathe, so ensure it has at least 4 to 6 inches of clear space around all sides. Avoid placing it in enclosed cabinets or on soft, carpeted surfaces that can block airflow. A cool, well-ventilated room, away from direct sunlight, is ideal for maintaining optimal operating temperatures. Next, regular cleaning is crucial for preventing overheating. Dust accumulation is a major culprit, so use compressed air to gently clear all vents and ports every few months. A soft, dry microfiber cloth works wonders for wiping down the console's exterior. Remember, never use liquid cleaners or abrasive materials, as these can damage your system. Keeping it clean helps maintain efficient airflow. Let's discuss smart power management and usage habits. Opt for the energy-saving power mode instead of instant on when your Xbox is not in use. This reduces heat generation. Try to avoid continuous gaming sessions that last more than 3 or 4 hours. Giving your console a break and allowing it to cool down completely between extended play periods can significantly extend its lifespan and prevent overheating issues. Finally, consider external cooling solutions if you're still experiencing issues or live in a warmer climate. External cooling stands or fans can provide additional airflow, helping to dissipate heat more effectively. Make sure any accessory you choose is specifically designed for your Xbox model to ensure proper fit and function. These can be a great extra layer of protection for heavy users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.